Hi, I'm Peter Papadakis, a financial planner from Kerr Financial. Retirement planning is essential for securing your future. Start by building an investment portfolio that aligns with your goals, objectives, and time horizon. For example, having all your money in one stock can be risky, but being invested in an overall conservative portfolio may not keep up with inflation. Diversifying and aligning your portfolio to your goals helps manage risk while keeping you on track. Tax optimization is another crucial aspect. While focusing on returns and fees is important, ignoring tax efficiency can cost you. Placing high-growth investments in higher taxed income in tax-advantaged accounts can boost your long-term returns. In addition, the timing of when to trigger capital gains is now even more important with the recent tax changes. Planning for retirement requires thinking ahead, and small adjustments can have a big impact over time.